and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jacqueline, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a shop with me video. I'm going to be heading over to HomeGoods and IKEA. I have a few things that I want to get for our apartment, and yeah, I'm not moving into a different apartment or house. I'm staying where I lived last year, and I do want to buy a few new decor pieces for our living space just to, like, you know, spice it up a bit. And yeah, so like I said, I'm going to HomeGoods. I really don't know what I want to get from there, and then I'm going to go to IKEA. I have a few things in mind that I want to get from there. So yeah, I just thought that I would bring you guys along. It's going to be a vlog, so yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like these, let me know in the comments down below. And with all of that said, let's get started with this video. Our first stop is HomeGoods. Looking at the pillows. Ooh, I like this one. Oh, this is the first thing I found. I really like this boho like looking pillow. I really want to add some color to my room this year. My room is really white, but now I want to add like a pop of yellow or a pop of orange. So that's what I'm looking for today. This can be an option. I really like the detailing of this. So guys, I found a matching blanket for the pillow I just found, and it's like this mustard, like muted yellow kind of color, and I really like it. And like I said, I do want to add a color to my bedroom because it's all white, and I think yellow would just be the perfect color. I did want to do like this dusty reddish orange color, but I think I'm leaning more for the yellow, and this is just much more affordable than what I was gonna get at Urban. And yeah, I really like this, and I'm really excited to see how this looks on my bed. And if I don't like it, then I can always return it. So yeah. So I made it to the rugs, and I really like this one. I really love the detailing of it. It has like this rope going through it, and yeah, it has some cute little tassels, but it's just too big for where I want it. I want to put it under our sink area, and that area is really small. So yeah, it's like double the size than what it needs to be. But yeah, I think this is really pretty. I wish we had somewhere else to put it at, but we really don't have another common area. Okay, so I also found this rug, and I think I'm going to take it. It's like what I'm looking for. I really want to get a new rug for my room, so I think I'm gonna get this cream colored rug just so that it doesn't get dirty easily, and I think it matches perfectly with the pillows I have at home, and I think it will like match perfectly with this pillow as well. I don't know, I just think it'll go really good together, so I think I'm gonna put that in my cart. So wish me luck. Okay guys, so I'm also looking for like a coffee table. We really want to make this like cute little coffee nook at our apartment, so I'm looking for like some little like tables to put that on, and I found this one. I just don't know if it fits in the space. I really like this one, and then there's also one that is all white, which we really like too. So those are our like two options. And then let me see. And then we also found this cart. I don't know how I feel about it. I really want it, I don't know, I've always wanted to get like a little cart. I think it would be so cute to put like all of our coffee stuff on top and then mugs at the bottom and then like a cute little basket maybe in the last one. I don't know, and this one is like so much more affordable. So yeah, and I really like how it rolls, and I really love the wood detailing of this. I really like the look of natural wood. So I don't know, I'm really vibing with this one, and I feel like I can use this in like the future too, and like my future like apartment or future home. Like I know that I would use this for many years to come because I just really like this style and it's more my style. So I'm just like in a huge dilemma right now trying to decide what to get. So yeah.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may, I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night
and then of course HomeGoods has a lot of cute decor. I'm just looking, I'm not getting anything. I just want to look around. Oh, this is a cute bag, little pencil pouch. But yeah, I'm just looking to see. I really don't need anything since I already have mostly everything that I need. But I really like this cork board to put pictures and stuff like that. I think that's really cute. But yeah.
love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may.
Guys, I decided to get the cart. We're gonna try it out and see if it fits in my living room. I think it's so cute. Yay! I think it's so pretty, so I'm just gonna take it. Okay guys, so I think I'm done here at HomeGoods. I really didn't finish looking around. I think I've done enough damage with all the things I'm taking right now. But I really want to go to IKEA before they close. It's already like 6 p.m. and my sister's first day of school is tomorrow, and she sleeps very early because she's in high school. So I want to make sure that I go really quickly to IKEA and go back home, and my dad is calling me. So I'll talk to you guys later. And my sister's helping me out. We're gonna try to fit everything in my car now, so wish us luck. I have a small dilemma. The cart did not fit all the way in the back trunk, and it didn't want to come into the back seat either. So right now I'm in the parking lot and I'm waiting for my parents to come and save me so that they can take the cart home and I can continue on my journey to shop. I want to go to IKEA still. I still have like 2-3 hours to go. So yeah, and I have a lot of things in my back trunk, so that's why I have like a lot of things right here. Like if you can tell, I have like bags of clothes, and I have like a little like clothing rack as well that I took out to see if it could fit, but it doesn't. My car is very bulky and big, so it has a lot of weird like design to it, so it just doesn't fit. And yeah, so right now I'm just sitting here in the parking lot and waiting for them, and I hope you guys can hear me. I have the AC blasting, so sorry about that. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Aha! Hi Mom. Oh sorry. Okay, so no cupo. Aquí está. I wasn't smart enough to like try to figure it out, and I didn't even think you could. I thought it was just a cart, but my dad actually figured it out, and it folds into this tiny little thing and it fits perfectly back here now. So yeah, I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, now it works, so thanks.
And it's all you. And you, and it's all you, and you. Tell me we'll be alright. Baby, I need your love. We don't need to.
Okay guys, guys, I've made it to IKEA. So like I said, I have a few things that I want to get, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys around as I shop.
You up in tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Keep my mom.
Life could be a dream. Plans would come true.
I've made it downstairs in IKEA. If you guys have been here, you guys know that there's an upstairs like with like exhibits and like showrooms and everything, and then downstairs is where you usually get all of the items you like. So far I've gotten just this like seat cushion for my desk because my desk chair is very uncomfortable, so I really wanted one of those. And then I'm still looking around and trying to find the things that I want to get, but I haven't had any luck. Hopefully I can find them very soon because they're about to close in like 40 minutes. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So I found the organizers I usually get to organize all of my clothing items in my dresser, and I'm just gonna get 2 more because I really want to organize all of my workout clothes and like sports bras and leggings and everything in these, because everything usually just becomes a huge mess by the end of the year. I got 2 of them, so yeah, and my mom is getting an umbrella for herself. Okay, so I made it to the plant section, and this is a plant I'm going to be taking. It's like a hanging plant. I've been wanting this for some time now. I've been wanting to replace the one that I have currently for like a longer one, so this is the one I'm going to be taking and replacing it with. So yeah. Bloop. My mom is helping me out carrying my things. We are done at IKEA and now we're going home. It is now nighttime here. We're done with shopping for today. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you guys want to see more vlogs like these, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time guys, bye!